Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Simeon. I'm the owner of Presto Spa Massage, and the essence of this video is to reach out to those who do not want to spend 1,500 naira on this tiny bit size of sanitizer. It's actually not necessary. Sanitizers are one of the cheapest things to produce, and if you want to get an alternative to hand sanitizers right now, go to the closest pharmacy around you and get yourself methylated spirit. Yes, methylated spirit. It contains about 60 to 75% of alcohol, which is what you need to kill the virus. Get yourself the methylated spirit. If you don't want it to dry up your hand, get yourself glycerin. The normal glycerin we use to clean up the seed they sell in pharmacies. Get that one. Is about 200 naira. So we are spending, let's say, 400 naira to get you about 500 ml of hand sanitizer. All right, compared to 75 ml for 1,500 naira. All right, so just go to your closest pharmacy, get yourself methylated spirit, add a little bit of the glycerin into the methylated spirit, shake it very well. You have your hand sanitizer. You can use it whenever you're outside, if you're in an area where you cannot have access to soap and water to wash your hand, then you use the hand sanitizers. So forget about this thickness. You see this thickness you're seeing here, it has no role to play in killing the bacteria. We just use this for aesthetic purpose, just to make it aesthetically appealing. There's no role that the carbopole or the carboma is playing in this. It's just to make it thick and to appear appealing to the consumer. Also, forget about aloe vera and the rest. They don't really have any role to play. Just get yourself the glycerin to prevent your hand from drying out, and then the alcohol to kill the bacteria. Alcohol, of course, you know what I mean. Don't go get yourself whiskey or things like that. Those are about 45% alcohol. They are not going to do anything for bacteria. Forget people who are quickly rushing to produce hand sanitizers at this moment. You are not sure how many percent of alcohol are in those hand sanitizers. Go and get your own right now. Go to the closest pharmacy around you. Get yourself methylated spirit that contains high amount of alcohol. I don't even want pharmacists to see this video right now, because most of these pharmacies, when they see it, they may start inflating the prices of the methylated spirit. All right, so share this video to anyone you feel will find it important or will find it beneficial. Let them go get themselves methylated spirit and glycerin.